गुड मॉर्निंग फैम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सहेली लाइफस्टाइल। तो आप सब लोग कैसे हैं? होप सो यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट एंड आर एब्सोल्युटली फिट एंड फाइन। सो आज मेन वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैंने सोचा है कि एक छोटा सा गार्डन टूर हो जाए, बिकॉज इन आवर होम वी हैव वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड कलरफुल प्लांट्स। मंदिर के सामने आप देख सकते हैं कि 3 hibiscus plants है of 3 different and variety colors. The first one you can see is of pink color, the second one is of red color, and the third one is of like light orange or peachy color. एंड प्लांट्स के बीच में एक छोटा सा तुलसी मंदिर भी है, और मंदिर और तुलसी मंदिर जो है इसमें एवरी मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग पूजा भी होता है। एंड यही बताना था। और ये जो आपके मन में ये भी सवाल आ सकता है कि ये सब प्लांट्स कौन मेंटेन करते हैं, सो माय ग्रैंडफादर एंड फ्यू गार्डनर्स आर देयर हु मेंटेन दिस प्लांट्स। एंड नाउ लेट मी शो यू दी अदर साइड ऑफ माई होम ऑल्सो, क्योंकि सिर्फ यही नहीं, एक मंदिर के पीछे भी एक छोटा सा गार्डन है एंड घर के बाहर भी और एक गार्डन है। सो लेट मी शो यू दैट। So now we came to the back side of the mandir, and there are also various kind of plants, but there are no flowers in it because all the flowers have been already picked up in the morning due to the puja purpose. So here you can see a pond, and ye pond may like few years back only there used to be water in it till the edge in the rainy season especially, but now there is no water and there used to be fish also in this pond. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you guys are doing great and are absolutely fit and fine. So for today's video I will be doing a vlog again. So today is 9th of June, and today is no moon or new moon, and in Bengali we call it as Amavasya, in Hindi we say as Amavas. So in this particular day every month, I think so I showed you in the introduction that we have a mandir in our home. So the mandir is of goddess Kali. So every month what happens is that we do a puja of greater version, and we prepare, like my mother, my grandmother prepares various dishes, and people come from outside, like from my nana ghar and few like neighbors. They come to our home to have prasad. Okay, so that's it. I will be sharing you all the little details about it. And now let me say that I also received few complaints that my audibility range is very low. I agree with all you guys that my audibility range is really low, but let me say you why. There are 3 reasons. Okay, the first reason is that my audibility, I cannot talk loudly, so my audibility range is very low. The second reason is that I don't have a mic. So you know the problem, if I don't have a mic then it will capture all the background noises. right? And the third reason is that my home is situated just beside the main road. So, you know, the vehicles come and go, they honk horns and all those stuffs. I sit just in front of you all guys, just in front of the main camera, but it captures all kind of sounds. The honking sounds, the other people talking, the sound of the wind, and so on. Like, the list never ends. So I will try to order a mic very soon, and I will show you guys definitely like what I ordered. I also want to say is that like many of my friends and my relatives told and suggested me to talk a little bit of Hindi also in my blog. So the thing is, I don't talk in Hindi because my Hindi is very poor. I don't know why my Hindi is very poor. My friends must be laughing like why my Hindi is so poor, but the reality is that my Hindi is very poor. Like I cannot talk Hindi so properly. Maybe the thing is that in my school I had maximum Bengali friends. So we used to talk in Bengali and English. These were the two languages we used to talk, and Hindi we didn't talk only in Hindi most of the times. So that's the thing. That may be the matter. Like why my Hindi is so poor. But yet I will try to improve. This is a challenge which came up, and I accept the challenge. मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात करूँगी. Please don't laugh. So I will try to include little bit of Hindi words even in the sentences. So that's it. Now I came upstairs. You all know, like, this is the room, and I will be sharing few details that what I will be doing to this room after few days. The time has not come yet. So I came up to have my breakfast, and I'm having the regular breakfast which I have. The milk mixed with Bonvita and chocos. That's it. That's about my introduction. So now what should I say? Now keep on watching the vlog and please don't skip the video. Continue watching till the end. So this is the room where I stay most of the time. So इधर पे मेरा छोटी सी सिस्टर आई ना बेबी नो. सो लेट मी से यू कि ये जो सेट है ये मैंने अमेज़न से परचेज़ किया है. ये बहुत सुंदर सा एक फेक प्लांट है. इधर पे बहुत सुंदर सा एक पॉट था, लेकिन माई सिस्टर ब्रोक दिस, सो अब सिर्फ थर्मोकॉल ही बचा है. एंड इधर पे बुद्धा है और शो पीस और भी ख़रीदना पड़ेगा. सो एम्प्टी है फॉर नाउ. Here is a TV and here is a small table. See my sister. So here is a tortoise. इसे शुभ माना जाता है, इसलिए my mom kept this. This tortoise is facing the north side. And ये बस थोड़ा सा glimpse, उतना अच्छा नहीं है. So that's it. See my sister. ये एक स्टिक है जिसे लेके she beats everyone. Just see her. Follow me. ना किंतु baby please. This is a stick which is very pointy, as you can see. It's very pointy, so I feel very scared to give this to her. But still she finds wherever we keep. Papa. Ay. now it's 1 in the afternoon and I've already taken my shower और मैंने आज थोड़ा सा shampoo भी किया है because my hair was pretty much sticky. So today I want to share you some problem which I've been facing since past 2 to 3 months, and that is my hair fall problem. My hair fall problem started when I was in class 5, but after showing dermatologist it stopped. But again that same serious problem is arising now and it's really bothering me a lot. I have applied various techniques such as applying onion juice, then comes castor oil, hot oil massage, but none of the techniques are effective and I really don't know what to do. And अभी तो जो situation है corona situation, it's not possible also to go and visit a doctor, so I will wait for a few months, then let's see what I will do. For today's lunch also there is nothing special made, all veg, because आज घर में पूजा है. And as far as I think, maybe paneer is made, which I don't like so much having paneer, and I think so cauliflower is also made, so that's it. And I will also have ghee. I love घर का बनाया हुआ ghee. Again I will be meeting you all in the mandir and in the evening, so that's it. Hello, so now I'm meeting you all after like 3-4 hours. So now it's 5 in the evening. So as I told you, I'm standing in front of the mandir and puja will start within like 30 minutes. So here is my mom, and this is the first time she came in front of the camera, and she's also a very camera shy person. She's running and going, and there is my sister who is busy playing. ভয় দেখাও তো, ভয়, এই যে ভয়, করেছিল একবার। এই যে বুনু, এই যে তাকাও তাকাও, তো কোন স্টাইলের হাঁটা, কোন স্টাইলের হাঁটা এটা? আসো আসো, যে চঞ্চল, যে চঞ্চল, এই যে এদিকে দেখো, আমাকে So me and my sister we both came upstairs and आपने देखा ही होगा कि that she was playing so much. She is so restless कि उसे संभालना is like a real job. Like we cannot handle her when she's in the mood to play. So she's here busy watching TV. Her favorite South Indian songs like Butta Bamma and all those songs. So after a few minutes only, like the puja will get over and the people from my nana ghar will come. The neighbors don't come now because of the corona situation. They don't come like from the year 2020 only. So that's it. I will definitely show the people from my nana ghar. They're so sweet and so beautiful people. হ্যাঁ মাম বলো কী কী হয়েছে আজকে?
খিচুড়ি, লুচি,
তারপর
এখানে হয়েছে 5 রকম ভাজা, এখানে চাটনি,
চাটনি,
এখানটা বাঁধাকপির সবজি,
একটু জোরে বলো।
এটা পায়েস, এখানে ফলমূল,
আর এটা হচ্ছে বিহাইন্ড দ্য সিন, সবাই দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। সবাই হাই করো। सो इधर पे सब लोग खाना खा रहे हैं, मम्मी सबको सर्व कर रही है और गोदी में है मेरी प्यारी सी सिस्टर। और इधर पे है मेरे मौसी। हेलो सिस्टर। So this is the prasad and this is only my dinner. I don't want to make the vlog too long. I know it's already too long. So I just want to finish up the vlog right now. And so actually the like, share, subscribe. 1, 2, 3, start.
Please like, share and subscribe